तो गुवाहाटी ब्रांच ने ऑर्गेनाइज करी थी इस साल की पहली स्टूडेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस, और इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सेलेक्ट हुआ था टू प्रेजेंट द पेपर, एंड बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस आई हैव बीन द बेस्ट पेपर प्रेजेंटर। एंड मैंने आपकी हेल्प के लिए ना अपनी पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन वीडियो अटैच करी है इसके बाद, और मेरी रिसर्च पेपर, मेरा सबमिशन वीडियो भी इस गूगल ड्राइव लिंक में अटैच है, नीचे आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी।
टेस्ट में फेल हो गया। डोरेमोन, शिजुका मुझसे बात नहीं कर रही। डोरेमोन, सुनियो ने नई कार ली, मुझे भी चाहिए।
कैसा बच्चा है नोबिता, अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स एक रोबोट को बताता रहता है। हे चैट जीपीटी, क्या साक्षी भी मुझसे प्यार करती है? क्या वो मुझे अपना दोस्त मानती है?
नहीं।
We all share multiple things with ChatGPT, from career advice, relationship advice, investment advice, and whatnot. And so, chartered accountants have started sharing tax audit matters, compliance matters, and legal requirements. But what if I say to you, machines answering all these questions with full confidence might be completely wrong? Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yes, my name is Shivansh Kesharwani, and I'm going to decode the topic When AI Lies to CA. See, first of all, I would request you all to please raise your hands if you have ever used ChatGPT. Very good. Now keep your hands up. Keep your hands up if you verify all the answers you generate. See the difference? It's many less people. Many less people. You know what? If you don't verify your answers, you might end up using these sections, these case laws in the client reports. You know what? These sections are generated by ChatGPT. Section 44 AAD for LLPs, for Moon Pharma versus Supreme Court. You know what? This is a perfect example, perfect language, all legal drafting, and fully wrong laws. Now what you see here, coming to the question, why AI hallucinates? See, many people think AI works same as Google. Google picks the information from the internet, serves it to the users directly. But no, AI works the way, it picks the information, it analyzes it, and gives the generated answer to the user, which means AI creates the answers. William Shakespeare asked, "What's in the name?" मैं आपसे पूछता हूं, आपको चैट जीपीटी का फुल फॉर्म पता है?
नहीं।
अरे, जिससे रोज घंटों दिल की बातें करते हो, उसका फुल फॉर्म तो पूरा नाम तो पूछो। चैट जीपीटी का फुल फॉर्म है चैट जनरेटिव प्री ट्रेन्ड ट्रांसफॉर्मर। नोटिस द वर्ड जनरेटिव। व्हाट डज दिस मीन्स? It does not retrieves the information, it generates it, and that's the problem starts. See, when a user types section 44, it thinks in the basis of probabilities, which answer is most probable, and science gives the answer which has the highest probability. See, answer with the highest probability does not always means the right answer. You have noticed many a times, if you just give a simple task to do from ChatGPT, सर वैसे एक सिंपल सा पार्टनरशिप डीड बनाना है, ChatGPT आपको UN टैक्स कंप्लायंसेस दे देगा, इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटीज दे देगा। क्यों? Because your prompts are weak. When you leave open spaces, ChatGPT fills them. ChatGPT क्या करता है? If you are giving any hole, it fills it. A song typically sums this up. तूने जो ना कहा मैं वो सुनता रहा, ख्वाब खा बेवजह आंसर बुनता रहा। ओके, द सेकेंड वर्ड प्री ट्रेन्ड, पूरे नाम में दिक्कत है। सी, AI models are trained at old provisions, old interpretations, and old amendments, which means they are not recently updated with the new amendments, new provisions, and it gives outdated answers many a times. So, इतना टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप है, कुछ भी जनरेट कर रहा है, आउटडेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, ट्रस्ट इश्यूज हैं, हैलुसिनेट कर रहा है, शुड बी ब्रेकअप विथ एआई? नहीं. See, AI is trained on old information, old amendments, but स्लाइड स्टक हो गई क्या? स्लाइड नहीं चल रही. अब see, the way the slide is stuck, AI is also stuck. And to move it, you need to push it to the power of prompting. You need to push it to give the updated knowledge. So, to force AI to give the updated knowledge, you need to push it to the power of prompting. See, the right question is how you should use AI. Not you should not use it. That's not the question at all. We are into this century. Now, question how to use AI. See, when the fraud happens in the business, regulators don't shut down the business. They create the regulations. They create the standards of accounting, standards of auditing. Same way, AI needs the framework to be governed. Framework for responsible usage. Introducing standards of AI. Yeah, these might end up in your books in the next 1 or 2 years. See, when you prompt to the AI, use this model. Role, context, constraint, ask. See, you need to define the proper role, who AI is. If you don't define, it becomes motivational speaker, love guru, philosopher, all at same times. So, you need to ask it properly, act as a senior Indian tax consultant with 15 years of experience or legal drafting person to give the right answer. Second is for context. You need to give proper facts to AI. For example, assessment year, turnover, transaction. If you don't give proper facts, remember what I said? तूने जो ना कहा अपने आप चलता चला गया. Third, constraints. You need to ask not to give the old provisions under unverified answer. You need to ask it to constrain this answer. And the fourth, ask precisely, not explain GST. Explain GST applicability on export commission services under LUT mechanism with relevant provisions. Yes, it's long, it's painful, but it's important. Okay, repeat with me. Role, context, constraint, ask. Role, context, कुछ आया क्या? मैसेज आया शायद, नोटिफिकेशन आया होगा. रुक जाओ यार 1 मिनट. नोटिफिकेशन ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. नोटिफिकेशन आया है. चेक करते हैं क्या नोटिफिकेशन है. अच्छा, क्लाइंट सर सप्लीमेंट्री पार्टनरशिप डीड बनाना है. नील नितिन मुकेश पार्टनर है. नितिन रिटायर हो रहा है, अनिल आ रहा है. 1 अप्रैल से इफेक्ट. प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो सेम रहेगा, कैपिटल सेम रहेगा. That's how the client asks the questions to the task. See, what professionals do, they do not directly ask AI the output. I will not ask AI to give the output. I will copy this information. I will give it to ChatGPT. Hey, ये client ने मुझसे ये बोला है, give me a prompt to draft a partnership deed. I will ask AI to give me the prompt. See, this is the prompt given by ChatGPT. You are an experienced Indian corporate and partnership law drafting expert with deep knowledge of Indian Partnership Act and all these things. Now I will copy this prompt. I will give it to the Claude. Hey, ये बोला है कर देना. Now see this deed. See the professionalism of this deed. The formatting, the drafts. And also see one thing. Read with me. Is executed on this first day of April 2025. 26 चल रहा है ना? 25 कैसे हो गया? Client ने भी 1 April बोला बस. See, I have given the proper prompt, but this is still the example. AI hallucinates. AI presumes the information which you don't give. Here it presumes 2025. So ultimately, human verification is most important. Whatever you do. Okay, we discussed generative, we discussed pre-trained. Last word, transformer. Leaving with you this question. Leaving you with the question. The question is not whether AI will replace chartered accountants. The question is, will chartered accountants who blindly trust AI replace themselves? Trust but verify. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Number 1. Any guesses? Any guess? ऐसे नाम बताओ. आप लोग 2 दिन साथ में हो, आप एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं. We have not met networking.
केशरवानी.
Yes, it is correct. It is Swans Keswani on event AI Live Contribution problem. So these 3 are the winner. Congratulations to all the 3 selected participants.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, please feel free to connect. मैं आपको बड़ा भाई उनकी गाइड करूँगा. These are the Instagram handles. Please stay connected. Thank you.